are here at the beautiful Omni Hotel doing our 2025 ANATS. I know we use a lot of acronyms, so A Night Amongst the Stars, where we celebrate, we congratulate, we bring in local heroes that have impacted our industry.
So tonight we're here to honor Chef Chris Shepard for A Night Among the Stars, somebody who gives back to the community, who's a legend in the culinary industry in Houston.
It's just an honor to be here tonight. You know, my wife and I founding Southern Smoke back in 2015, changing the focus of what we were doing to affect hospitality in their time of crisis, being able to grant almost $15 million since 2017 and access to 8,000 free clinical mental health care sessions. You know what, we got to take care of our industry, we got to take care of our people, and that's how it starts. We have to build a safety net together. So being here tonight, we get everybody engaged in that, so it's great.
You know, we really wanted to take this opportunity to participate within the community. We're among our friends, our family members, from colleagues, whether you've worked together or you potentially are going to work together. And it's such an amazing opportunity to bring all these gifted and talented individuals together to celebrate such a great cause. So attending MPI events is really important. It's really important just as an individual for personal growth, for networking. Get out, connect with someone, meet someone, have an amazing relationship, learn about them, and build upon your career. You always need a friend, and you always need someone you can lean on and connect with and learn from.